few moments later.
Today, well, if you remember last year, I did a car show. I went to a car show at the Hickory Crawdad Stadium, and guess what? We're back again. So today, I already uploaded a whole bunch of shorts, and then I made a post yesterday saying watch out for new video. And I made a video of just me showcasing the cars. I didn't say nothing. That'll be coming soon. And this is me actually saying stuff with the cars. So let's get into this. So look at here, y'all. We got 89_boost is super with us. So basically, I'm just gonna run through some of my favorite cars here, and we'll I'm gonna rate them out of 5 stars. So there's music. I'm gonna play music over this video. It's really loud, but yeah, you might not be able to hear me. That's why I got my mic. All right. Hold on, y'all. It's gotta be off. It's obviously 89_boost is super. As you can see, it was like a black before. Now it's like 8 colors. Mark 5 and Mark 4. This Honda is sick. It's this big old truck. Like, I'm 5, and I'm 7. Like, that's how massive this is. I don't know how and this Porsche 911 GT3. super sorry. Focus is sick, especially the back. Like, look at that, y'all. That is sick. Corvette. And obviously it's a 5 out of 5. I think the best thing on this car is the color. It's just immaculate. And then this one right here. This is also a 5 out of 5. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna make my way to this Focus. Now, he's actually, so where I go to church at, he's actually my preacher's son. So, I don't know if he's still in his car. No, he's not. It looks like he got out, but this Focus is really cool, I think. It's gray with white wheels. And I have to rate this a 4.5 out of 5. And then, let's see, there was a couple more. I hope my mic is working. So I know sometimes it has troubles working. I think it's just because of, it was dead before. But I did make sure to charge it last night, so that's good. Having to climb up this hill. And y'all, I'm gonna get you a good view of almost every single car here. That's just the view here. It's sick. Let's see. There's another Supra. My bad. There's another Supra. Mark 5. There's one that I saw at the pre-meet yesterday that I took a couple pictures and put a post on it. There's one that I saw. And I don't see it, but I know it's here because I saw it pull in earlier. Oh, is this a Lambo too? Y'all found another Lamborghini. It's already a 5 out of 5.
What's your name?
Jacob.
Jenkins?
Jacob.
Oh, Jenkins. Okay. What do you think?
It looks amazing.
You like it?
Yeah.
Awesome. Here.
I'm okay right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you YouTubing?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Guys, the owner of the Lamborghini, he asked me what I think of it. He asked me if I was doing YouTube. But just from walking up to that Lamborghini, it was sick. 5 out of 5. Okay. I still cannot find that one. If I can't find it, y'all, I'm just going to maybe put a picture of it in this video from last night. I'll get back to you whenever I find it. Alright, so I finally found it. I had to walk around the entire parking lot to find it. But finally, I did find it. So I saw it yesterday, and it's daylight out, so they don't have the lights on it now. But I think it looks sick. Alright, here we go. Now this Mustang, I think like one of my favorite things is like a little knight right here. The wings is sick. Alright, y'all. So here at this car show, sorry, someone went by. So here at this car show, there's a pretty big YouTuber. And no, it's not 89 underscore, but super. Basically, he still has a lot of subscribers. I'll find Hot Dog Media in a little bit, so we can do that little Q&A. But there's a YouTuber here, and he has about 8,000 subscribers, and he's really cool. He's a really nice dude. So I'm gonna go over there and get y'all back to him. Alright. Get back to you. Sorry. Okay, bye. Alright. Y'all, I don't know. I messed up today. See y'all. So, I said I was gonna show one of the YouTubers that I saw.
We out here at the Team Tensei Show. Y'all gotta follow Common Traffic Mafia, and you gotta follow my boy.
Here's this car. It's sick. And then we got this weirdo. I don't know who he is. Who is that guy? That's probably a video. But yeah, that was the YouTuber. Go check him out, guys. But I think I might end the video off here. As always, keep the good vibes. See ya.